Ditch the toxic sunscreen, use coconut oil instead. Summertime is beach time, or at least poolside time. But if you want some protection from the sun's UV rays, don't always reach for toxic sunscreens. Instead, pack some extra virgin coconut oil along with your beach towel and umbrella. That's right, the same extra virgin coconut oil found in your kitchen pantry will do the trick to protect your skin, minus the toxicity from health-compromising ingredients. Coconut oil has been used as an effective sunscreen for thousands of years by indigenous, Pacific Islanders. Why slather toxic chemicals on your body when you can use non-toxic coconut oil instead? There are two types of UV, ultraviolet, rays from the sun, UVA and UVB. UV rays are primarily responsible for skin damage from excessive sun exposure that can lead to cancer and skin aging. However, although UVB rays can also cause damage and sunburn, they are necessary for your body to produce its own cancer-protective vitamin D via the skin. Geometric skin. Sunlight is by far the optimal way to produce your vitamin D. Blocking UVB rays may inadvertently be increasing your cancer risk by blocking vitamin D absorption. Plus, sunscreen causes cancer through carcinogenic ingredients. Avoid toxic sunscreens. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, approximately 75% of commercial sunscreens contain toxic chemicals that are linked to cancer and disrupt hormones. Store-bought sunscreens typically contain retinol palmitate, a known skin cancer hazard; oxybenzone, which disrupts hormones leading to cell damage and cancer; zinc and titanium nanoparticles are in colorless sunscreen lotions. Those and other chemicals rubbed on your skin are readily absorbed into your bloodstream and can be just as unhealthy and toxic as an oral dose. The Sun Protection Factor, SPF, hoax. An excerpt from a 2012 CNN article about sunscreens. While SPF 85 may sound like a lot more protection than SPF 30, the higher the number doesn't always offer a higher return. Studies show that sunscreen with SPF 15 can block about 93% of all incoming UVB rays. SPF 30 blocks 97%. SPF 50 blocks 98%. The protective factors plateau from there. Choose coconut oil for sunscreen instead. Daily exposure to the sun is essential to your overall health. It's the overexposure that could cause some issues. Sunshine exposure is the best way for your body to create health-protecting vitamin D. To protect against sunburn, use a non-toxic sunscreen like coconut oil or opt for a low-risk, safe sunscreen that doesn't contain health-compromising ingredients. Bruce Fife, ND, author of Coconut Cures, Preventing and Treating Common Health Problems with Coconut Oil, explains that coconut oil applied on the skin protects against sunburn and cancer. Unlike sunscreen, unprocessed coconut oil doesn't completely block the UVB rays that are necessary for vitamin D synthesis. It protects the skin and underlying tissues from damage excessive exposure can cause. Instead of burning or turning red, it produces a light tan, depending on the length of time you spend in the sun. Fife asserts that consuming coconut oil also strengthens the skin and makes it more resilient and less prone to sunburn. He warns against using hydrolyzed or processed oil. Just make sure the coconut oil is pure and not processed.